Welcome to the Windows Club. If your headphones are not working or are not being detected by Windows 10 at all, this article on the Windows Club would be very helpful. Alternatively, you could simply watch through this video to find the resolution. The first solution would be to right-click on the speaker icon and select Open Sound Settings. Then choose the correct output device. You can change it from speakers to headphones. Usually it happens automatically, but if it doesn't happen, this is how you could make the necessary changes. The second solution is to make sure that you are using the right ports. While newer computers have a single port for both mic and headphone, older computers have separate ports, and you can also insert the headphone in the port meant for the mic, but it won't work. So please make sure that you are using the right port. The third solution is to restart the audio service. To do so, press Windows key plus R, type the command services.msc and hit enter. Then scroll down to the Windows Audio Service. Right click on it and select Restart. The fourth solution is to update or roll back the audio drivers. This could be done as follows. Press Windows plus R and type the command devmgmt.msc and hit enter. Expand the option for audio inputs and outputs and right click on the headphone drivers and select Update Driver. Then you could also use the Audio Troubleshooter. The procedure to use the Audio Troubleshooter is as follows. Click on Start, select Settings. Scroll down to Updates and Security. Go to Troubleshoot. Click on Additional Troubleshooters and select the troubleshooter associated with playing audio. Run the troubleshooter. The last option is to install the latest Windows update, because if the latest Windows update is not installed and the previous one was buggy, it could have caused the problem. To install the recent Windows update, click on Start, select Settings. Scroll down to Updates and Security. In the Windows Update tab, click on Check for Updates. If you are still facing this issue despite all these solutions, please let us know in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.